大家好，我是13。那今天上山本来想要拍点照片、拍点影片之类，想要体验一下骑这台车的感受。因为我刚换轮胎，自己把它装好，这样就上来在下雨，下雨就算了，这样超冷的。然后我又没有带我的那个破风者出来，我直接穿我自己的那个 hoodie 而已。然后就是armor hoodie 啊，是有护具的。但是下面的时候还觉得可能有点热，上来之后就拐。人家拍片也超帅的。Hey man, what's going on?
Daytona, man.
Yeah.
Moto2 edition?
Yeah, Moto2, yeah.
This is a nice
Yeah.
bike, man. This is 2024?
That's me, Neil.
What's up, man? What's your name?
Yeah, 2020.
2020?
Yeah,
Mine's 2020 also.
Oh, nice.
And
Yeah.
you know what Tron did? They made 765, which is the CC,
yeah.
and they made just enough.
Right, yeah.
Bro, this is sick.
They only sold it in 2020, and
Wait,
that's
they
it.
only made
Yeah.
765?
What?
Oh, he has an adjustable.
This is the same. It's the. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's the same exact engine and tuning as Moto2.
Well, not quite. Moto2 is all like about racing, right? So it's like a lot of upgrades and stuff. So this is based off on that, but then toned down for street use, obviously. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But it is the same engine base that they're using in Moto2, yeah. So like different crankshaft and this triple, lighter engine component. Yeah.
So closer to Moto2.
Closer, yeah. No, I got it like this. So I actually just bought it like not long ago, yeah. So the previous owner, this is a funny story. Like the previous owner, he got this bike. Apparently, was doing like straight speed runs on highway. He got caught a couple times, and he was riding without license. So this bike actually got impounded.
So you got it for cheap?
No, so and then I found it at a tow yard. Right, I found this bike, and then so I got it for cheap, yeah.
So how much?
I was like $9,000 or so, yeah.
How many miles?
Wait, the tow?
4,000 miles only. Yeah, but it's got some damages, like a little bit here and there. Yeah, clean title, yeah. Yeah, so I lucked out, really, yeah.
So who was selling it?
From where?
The tow yard had to sell it. So the guy never went back to get it.
Because it got impounded.
Yeah, and then he didn't have a license either. So then I guess
couldn't get it.
I guess he just didn't want to ride it anymore. So then it was left there for like a whole year and a half.
How did you find it?
I was just on Facebook browsing because I had a 765 before, and I was really wanting to get a Moto2. And this one day I was like looking on Facebook, and then I see this guy posting like a shady picture of it. I thought it was a scam.
Yeah.
But I just went over, I looked at it, I was like, holy shit, it's legit. Yeah, but I had to go to like DMV to get the paperwork sorted out and stuff. Yeah.
Any back fees with that?
Oh, you did have back fees, yeah.
How much?
Like $600?
That's not bad.
Yeah, not bad, yeah.
9.6?
Yeah.
This is like over
I know.
like 15K, I think, right?
Yeah, totally, yeah.
Yeah, they are.
What's that?
To them, sell it to them.
This bike? No, I want to keep it,
I'll
yeah.
give it to you for 9.7. For this. Dang, dude, this is so nice, man. The exhaust is a stock?
Stock, yeah, stock. So it's got an aero cam, but the thing is, it's got a whole bunch of muffler actually down here. So you see this part, the whole thing here? So it's not that loud, yeah. This is stock, yeah, but then this whole thing is actually what's muffling.
That's a cat.
Yeah.
You have a baffle?
Yeah, I do have a mid-pipe, I haven't put on yet though.
It's aero exhaust, right? Oh,
Hey, are you on my phone?
I have mine. Hold on. Wait, before you turn it on, hold on.
I just bought my
Let me record it.
triple
Oh, nice.
2020 also.
Nice.
Wait. This is an epic moment. What's your phone? Okay.
It doesn't come with a rear passenger seat, huh?
No, single seat.
This is just a race fairing.
Yeah.
This is just one big fairing right here.
Alright, I'm ready when you are.
Alright. Try him with the clutch. Not this one yet, no. Yeah, I tried another ZX4RR, a Ninja ZX4RR.
You have a ZX4RR?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, that's my main track bike.
Dude, that is so sick.
That one's a lot of fun. Yeah.
A ZX4RR.
ZX4RR.
I'm trying to convince them that's more fun than this bike. Huh?
It is. Well, I haven't taken it to a track yet. I just got the tire swapped on. Like I just put it on like recently, right? And then I haven't. I think I'm gonna put it maybe in August, but then I mainly track that it's 4RR. It doesn't have that much power. Thing going in the high rev, it's very flowy. Yeah.
You don't plan to take this to the track, or you?
I am going to. I want to put a set of fairings first.
Yeah,
because I don't want these to like trash it, right? I mean, it's already scratched from the previous guy, but then I still want to keep it intact.
Dude,
yeah.
like, you can't even know. Oh, you can't even notice it though.
Here, like yeah.
You can honestly buff that out.
In this part, yeah.
Where? Oh yeah, he did drop it.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad though, at all. Scratchy. Dude, honestly, this might even buff out.
I think so. I think because it's carbon fiber, you can actually repair it.
Yeah.
What bikes have you had before?
Which model bikes? So I have the Daytona 765. I also have a RC51. You know that bike?
Oh, the Honda?
RC51, the V-twin. Yeah, and then a WR250X, a supermoto.
Which one?
WR250X, like a small supermoto.
But you got supermoto wheels on it?
Yeah. Oh, it's a factory supermoto X version. Yeah. Do you guys always come here and then do this drills over here?
It's first time actually.
Oh, okay.
Well, we're gonna be doing it.
I mean, you're practicing, so I think.
First track day.
Oh, when is it?
Yeah. No, here.
No, here you did it at Laguna Seca.
June 28th.
Oh, okay, nice. How much is it though? $460. It's so expensive now.
Where do you go?
Yeah, well, I usually go down the hill because it's cheaper. But I used to go Laguna Seca. It was like around like $250 before, but now there's like the price goes up. Yeah.
I sold my bike. I had a 600RR.
Oh, okay, nice. I had that bike before. Yeah.
Just over here. I know.
Oh, holy shit.
Over there.
Oh my god.
There's like a hairpin over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah. I crashed my double R as well.
You got a double R?
Yeah, double R. Complete total that. What's that? Oh, 06. 06, yeah. I was in Washington State and I was just going crazy. And I thought it was hot shot, right? So I was taking corners, dragging and shit. And there's just a corner kind of like this with like a face up point. And then I didn't realize because there's so many cars like going off with the sand and then gravel or whatever. And it's also a corner. So I was like, I see this whole thing. I'm like, I'm gonna drag this shit. So I did, and I lost my rear. And I just came all the way and then went off the cliff. Oh, fuck, it was bad. Yeah, yeah.
Casual ride today?
Yeah, I just wanted to take pictures. Yeah, very casual. There's no letter, nothing.
Yeah. We'll take pictures of you.
Let me grab my phone.
This is like your first official ride.
Yeah, it is actually, and I was hoping to be a good weather too, and it was like it's like raining. Like whatever.
How was it on before the 4 corners? How was it?
It was okay. It was okay. It was good. But then it got cold real fast, right? I mean, you can feel it, right? Yeah. Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, you don't want to look at it?
Yeah, I do. I just want. I'm glad I can use it. It's funny, like I have a Razor RSF 6. Oh, thank you.
Oh, yeah,
nice.
the ones, huh?
Yeah.
Bring it up here.
Yeah, I should. I didn't know you could do it here.
Yeah. About the helmet.
This is X15. 15, yeah. So before this, I was wearing the Arai.
Yeah.
I like this much better because it's got more room over here. Arai feels nicer, like comfort-wise, everything. But this gets the space over here. It don't feel very more claustrophobic. Because with that ride, it gets like pushing like this. Yeah, so I actually like this a lot better on the track. Nice.
Guess how much I bought it for?
How much?
$2,600.
Oh, okay.
I didn't really know what he had.
I don't go fast on the street anymore, right? And so like if I really want to ride, I have to go to the track. Otherwise, I don't get that adrenaline rush, right?
I get that.
Yeah. Because Alright, I'm gonna get back down. Nice seeing you, yeah. OK， 刚刚本来想要讲包包的事情，结果看到人家在练车，超好玩，哈哈哈，聊了很久。